Uber is now providing a breakdown of the fees and expenses that they have to pay, as well as their service fee on our weekly statements. So how much are they actually pocketing from drivers? Really quickly, if you have yet to download the Upside app, our referral link will be in the description, and use promo code RIDE35 for extra gas savings. The weekly earnings statement is sent to drivers every Monday, and in it you get a breakdown of your earnings and again a breakdown of how Uber handles their financials. And as far as the breakdown of your earnings, there's typically 3 sections. There's the fare section, the promotion section, and the tip section. And under the fare section, you'll see what you earned in actual fares, cancellations, the temporary fuel surcharge, wait time at a stop, and wait time at pickup. Under the promotion tab, you'll see any boosts or quests that you qualified for, and then you'll also be able to see your tips. And now on the following page, there's what Uber calls their weekly service fee summary. There's 4 main sections of this summary: the customer payments section, the third-party fees and operational expenses section, your earnings, and then the weekly Uber service fee. And using this data, we can now calculate what Uber's commission is for any given week. So for this particular week, I'd take the $36.63 that Uber took as a service fee, divide that by the $707.25 in customer payments, and that would equal 5%. So for this particular week, Uber's commission was 5%. And as you can see, the bulk of what they're taking out are the third-party fees and operational expenses. The airport surcharge fees for this week were $20.52. The region or city fee was $1.25. And the insurance, credit card fees, and other expenses were $105.97. And in total, these fees equate to about 18% of the customer payments. So that was one of my weekly statements. Uber's commission was 5% for that week, but I wanted to see more weeks. So I did an analysis of my last 13 weeks of driving. Customer payments over those 13 weeks were $8,364. Airport surcharge fees were $143. Region or city fees were $5. And again, the bulk that Uber takes is for insurance, credit card payments, and other expenses, and that was $1,210. My earnings were $6,394, and Uber's service fees for those 13 weeks totaled $611. Take that $611 and divide it by the total customer payments of $8,364, and we get a commission percentage of 7%. Again, insurance, credit card payments, and other expenses equated to 14.5% of what the customer pays, and my take of the customer payments was right around 76%. Now, this 7% average commission that Uber takes is for me personally, and I am pretty picky with rides. Here in Minneapolis and St. Paul, we have upfront pricing for drivers, and my main requirement for those rides is that they're paying at least $1 per mile for on-trip distance. So there's a lot of rides that I decline. I actually decline 1 out of every 2 requests. My acceptance rate hovers right at 50%. So Uber's commission for me personally is going to be lower versus a driver that accepts a lot more rides. The higher your acceptance rate, chances are Uber's commission is going to be higher. So again, over a 13-week period, Uber's average commission for me personally was 7%. But what about all of you? Have any of you done an analysis like this? And what do you think of Uber's weekly summaries? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.